Hi everyone, my name is Andrew and this is my video presentation on glycolysis, respiration, and fermentation. Glycolysis is a catabolic process that refers to the breakdown of glucose. All organisms that undergo respiration and fermentation will first perform glycolysis. Glycolysis is carried out by nearly all cells to harvest energy, electrons, and carbon. No carbon is required for glycolysis to take place, but it does require some energy, so we put in 2 ATP. The end result of glycolysis um is two pyruvates. Also, by putting in the 2 ATP, it also creates energy, so it ends up with 4 ATP. Respiration consists of 5 parts: glycolysis, beta oxidation, Krebs cycle, electron transport system, and ATP synthase. In respiration, the 2 pyruvate that were produced in glycolysis are now moved through the Krebs cycle, where lots of electrons and ATP are formed. The electrons that are collected are moved to the electron transport system. In aerobic respiration, these electrons are moved through the electron transport system, where the energy from these electrons are non-transportable energy. This is not very useful, but this can be used to power ATP synthase, which is transportable energy. As long as an aerobic organism continues breathing, electrons will continue moving through the system, which will continue producing ATP, which in other terms is a lot of energy. Just like respiration, fermentation will take place after glycolysis. So, both processes of fermentation will begin with 2 pyruvate. There are 2 types of fermentation: lactic acid fermentation and alcohol fermentation. In alcohol fermentation, 2 CO2 are released from the 2 pyruvates. This forms 2 acetaldehyde, then 2 NADH molecules are consumed, which produces 2 NAD+. The result of this process is ethanol. Lactic acid fermentation is similar to alcohol fermentation, except this process does not release carbon dioxide. 2 NAD+ molecules are then consumed while 2 NAD+ are released. This process results in the production of lactate.